7 fonts which you can use in your UI and front-end designs, and these fonts are widely accepted in majority of the software products and online services and are accepted by majority of the companies all over the world. But before jumping onto the fonts, let's first discuss which are those properties a font should have to be a part of any UI or design project. Although there are many parameters, but the important ones are: first, contrast, which means that while changing the screen brightness, a font should maintain its visibility. Second, legibility, which is that a font should attain an aesthetics which makes the content feel legible and a user should feel that a content is legit and proper. Third is readability, which means that a font should maintain its visibility and clarity while changing the font size regardless of the screen size. Fourth is versatility, which means that a font should be suitable for low resolution screens and should maintain its visibility while printing on a paper. Fifth one is large font family. A font should have a large font family and many styles and many fonts to choose from. Sixth one is distinct letter forms, which means that if I type 0 or if I type letter O, both the characters should be displayed distinctly with their own identities. Now let's quickly jump onto the fonts. So the first one is Roboto. Roboto comes with 12 different styles with a font weight from 100 to 900 with italic configuration. Second one is Source Sans Pro, which also comes with 12 different styles with a font weight of 200 to 900 with italic configuration. Third one is Inter, which comes with 9 different styles with a font weight of 100 to 900, and this font doesn't support italic configuration. Fourth one is Monstrat, and this one is my favorite because this comes with freaking 18 different styles with a font weight of 100 to 900 with obviously italic configuration. Fifth one is Open Sans, and this comes with 12 different styles with a font weight of 300 to 800 with italic configuration. The sixth one is Space Grotex. This comes with 5 different styles with the font weight of 300 to 700, and this has no italic configuration. Now these 6 fonts which I've mentioned are available on a Google Fonts, and the 7th and last font, which is Satoshi, which is available with 10 different styles with the font weight of 300 to 900 with no italic configuration, and this font is available on FontShare. Now all the fonts which I have mentioned here are absolutely free for personal as well as commercial use, and you can use these fonts into a design and UI projects because fonts plays an integral and important role in any of the design, which makes it from usual to extraordinary work.